Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making homemade chocolates because I really love peanut butter together with chocolate. Now you can sometimes find it in Germany, although it's a little bit difficult. So I've decided to make my own. So these are homemade chocolates filled with peanut butter. Let's get started.
Only a couple simple ingredients. We need 400 grams of milk chocolate, half a cup or 120 grams of peanut butter, 3 to 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. We're going to start by combining the peanut butter with the powdered sugar. This will just tip the taste of peanut butter towards sweet instead of salty. Next, we're going to melt and temper our chocolate. If you need a tutorial on that, click the link in the card. Then, pour the melted chocolate into a piping bag without a tip. I put the piping bag in a cup to hold it for me. I also put the peanut butter mixture in a piping bag. We also need a chocolate mold of some kind, any kind you prefer. This is mine. I start out by piping the chocolate into the chocolate mold. Fill them about a third to a half full. Then take a spoon and spread the chocolate up the sides of the mold. Concentrate on the corners to make sure you get all the nooks and crannies. If you want to, you can tip out the excess chocolate. Using a spatula, clean up the top of the chocolate mold. And put the chocolate in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the chocolate sets up. If it's been properly tempered, it really shouldn't take too long. Then, pipe the peanut butter mixture into the set chocolates. Don't quite fill up all the way. And tap the filling down just a bit to get it away from the top of the chocolate mold. Pipe the chocolate onto the top of the molds. Make sure to cover the whole chocolate. And scrape the excess off onto your plate so you can reuse that chocolate. And chill in the fridge for another 5 minutes or until the chocolate is completely set up. To release the chocolates, pull slightly around the edges of the chocolates and push up from the bottom. Chocolate molds should be soft enough to be able to push them out. These turned out perfect. Look at that shiny chocolate. It absolutely cracked as I was biting into it. Perfectly set up. These are so good. I will definitely be making these again. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more tutorials.